In this video, I will show you how to add a dynamic target line in Excel chart and format it professionally. We will also make it interactive so when the target value changes, the line updates automatically. First, we have our dataset with months and sales. Now I will add another column called target. In the first cell, I will enter the target value that is given in this cell. So I will select this value and fix it with F4 and press enter. Then I will copy this value down for all the months. After this, I will select the column of months, sales value and target. And I will go to the insert tab. Here I will click on this recommended chart and I will select this bar chart and click OK. Now we have a chart showing sales and target together. Now I want the target to appear as a line. For this purpose, I will right click on. After this, I will click on this change series chart type. And for the target, I will change from clustered column to the line graph and click OK. Now let's make this line look professional. Before making any change to this target line, I will click on these grid lines to select them and then press delete button from the keyboard to delete them. After this, I will double click on this target line. This will open the format data series. Here I will click on this fill and line option. Here I can change the color of the line. So I am going to choose the red color. I can also change the width of the bar. I can also add the arrowhead to both start point and the end point. After this, I will close this format data series. And now I will just click the first starting point. After this, I will right click it. And here I will choose the add data label. I will double click it to format. And when this format data labels open, I will place it above the line. I will keep it selected and I will go to the home tab. Here I will make it bold, increase the font size, change the font color to the red color. I am going to close the format data labels. I will click on this chart element icon and here I will uncheck the legend. Now if I change the value of the target from 6000 to 4000, you can see that the line is moving to downside, and if I change this target from 4000 to 7000, the line is dynamically moving upward. So it's mean that our target line is dynamic. Instead of typing the values manually, we just need to change the value in the target cell and everything will be done dynamically. Now if I want to hide this target column, I can click to select this column and then right click and I'll choose the hide option. So this will hide the column and the line will also be hidden. To show the line again on this chart, I need to right click on this chart and here I will click on this select data. I will click on this hidden and empty cells. I will click on this show data in hidden rows and columns and click OK. Again I will click OK. So you can see now the line is appearing again on my chart. This is how you can create a dynamic and professional target line in Excel chart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips.